Hey guys, welcome back. Continuing on with the pond project here. We kind of started yesterday technically. My father-in-law dug up those other two stumps there, and we started with the bigger ones here today. So it's a complete mess. I'll try and show you some of the footage of the lawn, but it's gone.
It's not that bad.
No, you know what? It springs back.
Yeah.
Pretty good. We're just removing the stumps and kind of trying to backfill best we can. I've reached out to my dirt guy, and hopefully he drops off a triaxle dump load of topsoil for us here in the next few weeks, and then when things dry out we can start filling the holes, and at that point we're going to be hanging tight, I think, till the summer when this pond dries right out and I can drive in there and really start cleaning it out. So yeah, we're just going to continue on with this and we'll get after it.
Yeah.
That's
Exciting.
pretty much it.
Yeah.
that's it for today's little stump removing pond renovation video. We just finished our Easter supper in quarantine, which is pretty interesting. And yeah, ready to call her quits for the night. So made some really good progress on the pond. I just got a couple more little stumps to remove here and there, but you guys get the general idea. So more or less just cleaning up around it, waiting for the good weather. Do another pump on the well or the pond, and then I'll be able to get my tractor in there, really dig it out, and start laying the landscape fabric, or I guess plastic. I'm not sure exactly what we're supposed to use. Maybe if you guys have built a pond before, you can leave a comment in the bottom there, because we don't really know what we're doing. We're kind of just pecking away at it, you know. Just as something cheap to do for the quarantine, you know. Other than that, yeah, we're just gonna keep pecking away here. If you're new to the channel and you're interested in homesteading, or you know, small micro farm stuff, or just getting stuck in the mud with the tractor, you want to consider subscribing, because we are putting out videos pretty much every week, sometimes twice a week. And yeah, we're just out here, 10-acre property, Niagara Falls, Canada side, you know, just having fun. Anyways, happy Easter to all you guys out there, and you have a good night.